Семено одоо ингэж зомрлын цомгонаа. Тэгээд зомрлын 5 дугаар дугаарыг гаргахаас өмнө би нэг 4 хүнээс 2-ын дараагийн дугаарт оруулъя гэж бодсон. За тэгээд энэ 4 хүний 5 хүн аль дараагийн дугаарт оруулмаар гэсэн нь яг одоо энэ доор комментэн дээр юм уу энэ сайт руу ороод биднийг бас мөн үзэж болно. Энэ сайт руу ч гэсэн энэ хоёр сайт руу ороод биднийг дэмжээрэй. За мөн тэгээд том удахгүй 5 гарах болон 5 дээр өргөл цом 200 гинэ.
Have you?
Hello, I need to speak to somebody who can speak a Chinese.
I am.
Hello, how you doing? Sao anh ấy hả?
Yeah.
Sao hả?
你要怎么样？
Đó mà, xong đi không? Đi lắm đứa.
Huh?
Ta đừng nắc đưa qua.
I don't understand what you tell me.
No, look here, I speak a Vietnamese.
Yeah, what you need?
The shit, I need to make order today.
No, it's too late. Bye.
No, hello, look here, big
Yeah.
boy. I need to make big order for
We leave it.
$500. $500. I give you.
I don't care.
You fuck you, bitch. You know he cares too, which is why it's fucking hilarious. He's like, shit, that's a lot of money. I don't want to lose it. Shit, I lose the money.
Have you?
Somebody, why you hang up on me today?
No, we don't have order for you, okay?
I fuck you in the butt. I fuck you today. Fuck you, big boy.
Fuck your mother.
I know,
okay?
I fuck your mother. You lie to me.
Fuck your whole family, okay?
No, your whole ancestor. I fuck your grandmother.
And your everybody in your house, okay?
No, your whole generation. You fuck guy. I hate you.
Fuck all the Vietnamese, okay?
No, what the hell? What do you say to me? I kill you.
I don't care.
I kill you. I kill you right now.
Kill me. I'm right here. Kill me.
Okay, I come with 2 chopsticks. I shove up your ass.
2 chopsticks? Come over here. Talk to me in the face.
Like somebody. You fuck you, big. You very cheap.
Hello?
Like somebody. Fuck you, big. Why you hang up on me?
Hold on more. We're gonna call the police, okay?
You fuck you.
Fuck your mother. Fuck your whole family, okay?
You lie to me. No, you fuck your whole mother. Oh my god.
Hello?
You want to hear it?
Okay?
I kill you.
Your mother.
No,
you hear me? Your mother.
No, your grandmother. Very old,
your
aggressive.
Fuck all the Vietnamese. Vietnamese a piece of shit, okay? Vietnamese.
No, look here, you Chinese people, they like...
Don't call them all.
No,
I'm gonna call the police right now,
no,
okay?
You fuck you.
Fuck your mother.
You fuck you guy. I come.
Hello?
Like somebody, fuck you, big. I hit you.
Come fight with me. I wait for you. You know where I am. Come here.
I
fuck your whole family.
I fuck your Vietnam.
Your
I fuck
mother.
your Chinese.
Your mother. Fuck your mother. Okay, your mother's mother.
Fuck
all your ancestors.
Your grandmother's
grandmother.
Your great grandmother.
You listen?
Like
you know English? Vietnamese is piece of shit.
No, you fuck
okay?
you. Fuck you, big. I
fuck all of Vietnam.
I shall fortune cook up your area. I shall fortune cook up your area.
Hiểu này cái lỗ máu à?